पवित्रो वा सर्वावास्तानतोऽपि वा स्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षस्य बाह्याभ्यन्तरशुचे पुण्डरीकाक्ष पुनातु आचम्यः प्राणानाम्यः पीजी। ओम नारायणाय नमः, ओम माधवाय नमः, ओम केशवाय नमः, ओम गोविंदाय नमः, ओम ऋषिकेशाय नमः, ओम पद्मनाभाय नमः, ओम अच्युताय नमः, ओम दामोदराय नमः, ओम श्री कृष्णाय नमः। हाथ धो लीजिए आप, हाथ धो उधर उधर धो लो। स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तारक्षो वरिष्ठनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवा भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गे तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनो प्रिव्यसेमहि देवहितं जदायु भद्रमस्तु शिवञ्चास्तु महालक्ष्मी प्रसीदतु। हाथ लगा दीजिए आप लोग। हरि ओम विष्णु विष्णु विष्णु।
कुछ तू भी आ जा,
कुछ आ जा, आ जाएगा, आ जा कुछ,
आ जा, आ जा,
अच्छा, आ जा, हाथ पे आ जा, इसको तिलक करवा दे पहले। देवते हैं हमारे।
अच्छा अच्छा,
हाथ
ओह चलिए। हरि ओम विष्णु 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 श्रीमद् भगवतो, हाथ लगाइए।
हाथ लगा।
श्रीमद् भगवतो महापुरुषस्य विष्णुराज्ञा प्रवर्तमानस्य अद्य ब्रह्मणा अहनि द्वितीये प्रहरार्धे श्री श्वेतवराहकल्पे वैवस्वतमन्वन्तरे अष्टाविंशत्तमे कलियुगे कल्पप्रथमे चरणे बौद्धावतारे विक्रमशके मासानां मासे उत्तमे मासे, बोलिए उत्तमे मासे, आश्विने मासे शुक्ले पक्षे एकादश्यायां सुगतितो अमेरिका देशे ओहायो क्षेत्रे भारतीय देवालये पावल स्थिते देवालये शिवालये करिष्यमाण पूजा फल प्राप्त्यर्थं यथा नाम गोत्र बरोदिया गोत्रोद्भवस्य श्रीमान ब्रजमोहन जी रस्तोगी नाम देश श्रीमती भगवती जी रस्तोगी नाम संदीप जी रस्तोगी नाम देश सोनिका जी रस्तोगी नाम सचित रस्तोगी नाम देश सोनम रस्तोगी नाम कुश नाम देश धीरज नाम देश सर्वकुटुंबस्य सपरिवारस्य सबान्धवस्य आयु आरोग्य ऐश्वर्याभिवृद्ध्यर्थं धनधान्य प्राप्त्यर्थं जन्म अद्य विवाहोत्सव कितना है 50 हाँ 50 विवाहोत्सव दिने अद्य शुभ मुहूर्ते शनिवासरे सायंकाले देवालये श्री शिवालये आयुः आरोग्य ऐश्वर्य धन धान्य वृद्ध्यर्थं शिवाभिषेकं पूजनम अहम उनके हाथ से ले लीजिए। अभिषेकम अहम करिष्ये। ओम ध्याये नित्यं महेशं रजतगिरिनिभं चारुचन्द्रावतं संरत्नाकल्पोजलाङ्गं परशुमृगवरा भीतिहस्तं प्रसन्नं पद्मासीनं समन्तात् स्तुतमगणगणैर्व्याघ्रकीर्तिं वसानं विश्वाद्यं विश्ववन्द्यं निखिलभौभयहरं पञ्चवक्त्रं त्रिनेत्रं श्री शाम सदा शिवाय नमः। ध्यायामि ध्यानं समर्पयामि। इनको भी तिलक लगाए। स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न भूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तारक्षो वरिष्ठ। सभी लोग आ जाओ। इसीलिए तो यहाँ सदा शिवाय नमः। ध्यायामि ध्यानं समर्पयामि आसनं समर्पयामि पादयो पाद्यं हस्तयो अर्घ्यं मुखे आत्मनीयं सर्वांगे स्नानीयं समर्पयामि। त्राय नमः। ओम सदा शिवाय नमः। ओम विश्वेश्वराय नमः। ओम वीर इस हाथ में रखो, लेफ्ट में रखो। ओम वीरभद्राय नमः। ओम गणनाथाय नमः। ओम प्रजापतये नमः। ओम हिरण्यरेतसे नमः। ओम दुर्धर्षारूढ़ासन शासन गरुडासन वृषवाहन साजे ओम हर 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 महादेव भुज चार चतुर भुज दश भुज ते सोहे शिव दश भुज ते सोहे तीनों लोक निरंजन ओम हर 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 महादेव परम कृष्ण का मंडल चक्रते झूलधरता शिव चक्रते झूलधरता
क्या करना है? हाँ वो
दक्षिणामूर्तिदेवं जननमरणदुःखच्छेददक्षं नमामि चित्रं वडतरोर्मूले वृद्धा शिष्या गुरुर्युवा गुरोस्तु मौनो व्याख्यानं शिष्यास्तु छिन्न संशयाः सदा
opportunity that we can celebrate, together this kind of things. But before we do that, one thing I wanted to son is so dedicated and devoted at such early age to Lord Sri Sitaram Hanumanji Parivar. So I think that's a great honor for both of you that he is. And so, as Sonam, she dedicates her time for volunteering service to our children here so that they will get better educated to go to the best of these children. That such a wonderful work, dedication, with a lot of affection and dedication they provide to our younger generation so that they will be again engaged and involved in our culture, and they will preserve our culture through this language, Hindi, and they will be going to better schools, they will have better life. So I think these two children here, they do that every Sunday. So you must be very, very proud of whatever you have done to them, and obviously whatever they have done to their children. So with that, it's a great honor for all of us that you have given this opportunity to celebrate this 50th anniversary. It's for all of us here who are being raised plus who are living here. It's a great role model for all of us that this family here have been together, married for last 50 years. And Sandeepji, when are we going to celebrate the 60th? Then we'll talk about some more. So we'll hope to celebrate the 60th and 75th. With that wish, we pray to Lord Sitaramji that he gives you lots and lots of good health and long life, so that we will have this opportunity to celebrate the 75th wedding anniversary. So with that, I will request our respected priest to give you the blessing from the temple on behalf of all these community members who are here. These are all brothers of these wonderful youth children. So.
वन्तां शतमवसन्तान् शतमिन्द्राग्ने सविता बृहस्पतिः शतायुषाः विषेवं पुनर्दुः शतं जीव शरदो वर्तमान इत्यपि निगमो भवति शतमिति शतं दीर्घमायुर्मरुतयेनावर्धयन्ति शतमेनमेव शतात्मानं भवति शतमनन्तं भवति शतमैश्वर्यं भवति शतमिति शतं दीर्घमायुः सविता पश्चात्ता सविता पुरस्ता सवितोत्तरात्तात् सविताधरात्तात् सविता नस्तवतु सर्वता आतिं सविता नो रासतां दीर्घमायुः नवो नवो भवति जायमानानां केतरिषसामेत्यग्रम् भागं देवेभ्यो विददात्यायं प्रचन्द्रमा स्थिरते दीर्घमायुः क्षत्रस्य राजा वर्णोऽधिराजः नक्षत्राणागं शतविषक्वसिष्ठः अतो देवेभ्यः कृणोतु दीर्घमायुः सुमङ्गलीर्यं मधुर्यमां समेत पश्यता सौभाग्यमस्ति दत्त्वा याता त्वं विस्मरेतना ॐ श्रीवर्चस्समाजश्यमारोग्यमाविधा शोभमानं महीयते धनं धान्यं पशुं बहुपुत्रलाभं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायुः श्रीरस्तमं विदतु मङ्गलानि भवन्तु रोचनो रोचमानः शोभनः शोभमानः कल्याणः आराध्य देवता प्रसादेन सीता लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्न हनुमत्समेत श्री रामचंद्र स्वामी प्रसादेन इष्टकाम्यार्थफलसिद्धिरस्तु।
Most of you know, we do feel the service to the community is the service to our own family, so that's why. So thank you, really appreciate that. This event, and I know I'm keeping everyone away from dinner, and we have Aarti also before we end here, so I'll try to keep my comments short, but just a few things I do want to say. Number one, this event, this celebration will not be the same if we didn't have all of our friends and family here, just like you all have. So thank you again really for joining us here in this big day. I know a couple of weeks ago or a few weeks ago when Sonika and I started thinking about this to say we'll be celebrating this big day, 50th anniversary. The first thing that came to my mind was 50th anniversary of my parents. That means I must be getting old. So it is a true blessing. It is a blessing as family, as we all know. Our parents have been wonderful, just like most of the parents are, if not all. They always put their kids ahead of them. I know someone was asking recently, what's the secret of happiness in a long married life? And I was thinking, I couldn't really think of anything. And then I realized my dad is having major hearing trouble for a long time. And I thought, maybe that is the secret of happiness in a long married life. My mom has figured out actually how to communicate through sign language, and she's figured out the right frequency and the right pitch, so my dad does hear her now. My mom has been having a lot of issues with her health over the last couple of years, with her knee surgery gone bad in other areas. But one thing that she has taught us is how to face adversity. I mean, this is unbelievable, rock, solid willpower and strength and the positive spirit that she keeps. So we're really learning from her a lot. Again, thank you all for joining us. There are some groups that I definitely want to acknowledge. First of all, our Prashant and other bhajan, our bhajan mandali and the bhajan singers. I mean, there's all of them, every single one here. I mean, it's unbelievable, such melodious bhajans. For me, I mean, I'll be honest, even more than Gurukul, even though Gurukul is, I love Gurukul, listening to these bhajans here is my first love coming to the temple. I mean, that's what I always felt. So the bhajans were great. Thank you. And the kitchen queens, all the folks who helped with cooking over the last few days, there's been a lot of cooking. Hopefully you'll get to enjoy some of the delicious food once we wrap up here. A lot of our friends who helped with decoration and getting stuff from the stores and the markets and all the planning. I think there's been a lot of work in here. Thank you. And all of our friends and family who traveled from out of town. Our Mamaji traveled from Cincinnati. Our family, our cousins have traveled from Chicago. My brother came from Philadelphia, and my nephew coming from Purdue University. So a lot of friends and family who come from outside. So again, great to have this events with family. There is one person special that I do want to thank. I mean, someone who's been behind all of this. She's been the creative energy behind all of this. She's been all of the ideas, all the major themes, all the minute details, all the energy that goes into this. I mean, when I was getting tired, she was the one who kept me going. That's the office administrator in my office. That's my wife, Sonika. She's truly kept this going all along, so thank you. I mean, I'm truly blessed to have her as my wife. So this is great. I mean, Bill Gates might be the richest man, but I'm the happiest man alive and the luckiest man alive. I definitely feel that with parents, wife, and kids. Okay. So before we wrap up, we'll just take a couple more minutes, and I do want to do something to recognize an anniversary celebration. For this activity, it should not take more than a couple of minutes, trust me. For this activity, we do want the couples to sit close to each other. So if the husband and wife are not sitting close to each other, well, we have a different problem that we need to talk about offline. But you should be sitting next to your husband and wife. So I'll give everyone a minute to get close to your husband or wife and just sit close to each other.
Okay, your turn, okay,
That's still smaller than iPhone 6 Plus, and it has the same size.
When they came out with the 53 and the 33.
That's it. Only one? Only one.
59 चलाओगे क्या?
पास आइए उनके पास आइए
सोनिका आंटी
Okay, ready.
ऐसा क्यों है? सुशांत भाई क्या बोला आपने? मैंने सुना नहीं।
अच्छा विकी भी ले लो, ये देखो। कहाँ क्या दिखा रहे? कटोरी खाली।